In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save up to 45% on trading fees with Binance. For more information on Binance, please check out everybethelps.co.uk. Binance is the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchange since launching in 2017. And even after some question marks lately, with UK banks restricting deposits and withdrawals, if you're just buying or trading crypto, their low fees and number of trading pairs should still be appealing to you. And although they have some of the lowest fees of any crypto exchange, it's also important to try and reduce your trading fees as much as possible. Even a fraction of a percentage, trading fees can really add up, and with the potential growth of cryptocurrency, a small trading fee paid in 2021 could be worth 100x in 2022. And I'm going to show you 2 ways to reduce your trading fees today. Firstly, if you're new to Binance, you can save 20% on your trading fees when using our Binance Referral ID at sign up. Then if you're new, or if you've been trading on Binance for a while, you can also save a further 25% by taking advantage of their BNB token. So in total, you can easily save yourself a massive 45% on Binance trading fees. So let's take a look at saving 20% using our Binance Referral Code first. The Binance Referral discount is one of the best cryptocurrency offers available, especially when you compare it to the likes of Coinbase or Kraken. Once you've signed up and use a valid referral ID, you can earn a commission kickback rate of 20% on every trade for life. Another exchange that I personally like and use is FTX, and although their offer isn't as good as Binance, you can still save yourself 5% on fees using our discount link below. So how does the Binance referral code work? Well, when you sign up to Binance, you'll need to enter in an email address and a strong, secure password. And underneath that, you have an optional tab called Referral ID. Now, if you click onto the referral code link that I have in the summary below, this will automatically pre-populate for you. However, this can also be manually input in using your keyboard. And you'll see the kickback rate showing up as 20%. Now, you will need to enter this referral code at the time of registration. Unfortunately, if you've already got a verified trading account, this discount may not work. And please just be aware of platforms offering large Binance referral discounts, as some of these are fake and you won't receive any discount. One way to check if it's genuine is underneath the grey box here, it states your commission kickback rate. And at the moment that's stating 20%. However, if there's nothing in here, you won't get any form of discount. Now, if you are new to Binance and you're not too sure where to start, I've got a beginner's guide available where I explain the sign-up process, how to place a market and a limit order, then how to withdraw from the platform. So how are your fees calculated? Well, when trading under 50 BTC over a 30-day period, you pay 0.1% per trade. So if you trade $1,000, you will pay $1 of trading fees. And although this isn't huge, obviously as I said, these do certainly add up. And when you use the EveryBetHelps referral code, you can save that 20% as a commission kickback. Then the second way that you can also reduce these fees is if you trade using the BNB token. And this will then reduce the cost down by another 25%, saving you up to 45% in trading fees. And BNB is the native token of the Binance Smart Chain that was launched through an initial coin offering in 2017. It was initially created as an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum network. However, the BNB token was later swapped over to their own blockchain. The BNB token can be used for several different use cases. Firstly, to reduce the trading fees by 25% for spot trading, 10% on futures, and 5% on margin trading. But it can also be used to participate in token sales hosted on the Binance Launchpad. It can be used as a payment method, plus it also powers the Binance decentralized exchange. Now, you won't be able to trade all cryptocurrency using the BNB token, but if you can, it's definitely worth it to save yourself on some crypto. So in total, by combining both of these hacks, you could easily save yourself up to 45% when trading on the Binance exchange. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybethelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.